Welcome back to my channel. On today I will show you how to make a fabulous marinade. In English you call it fritters. Okay, so we're gonna do a herring fritter. All right, so we have some Epis flours, which is all-purpose flour. I have 1 cup, and this is about a half of tablespoon of baking soda, not baking powder, guys, baking soda. We're gonna go ahead and mix this up. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and add some water in. This is about 1 cup of water, but I'm not gonna pour the whole thing in at once. I'm gonna just add maybe about half of it and stir it and see how it's thick. So I will need just a little bit more. It's just a little bit. You want to make sure you stir it and remove any lumps that may be here. Okay, I'm gonna add just a little bit more. So we did end up using our cup of water. Okay, now it's nice and smooth. Okay, and once I add my other ingredients, it's going to start thickening up a little bit. All right, now to this I will go ahead and add some of my Haitian Epis, but this Epis here is the one that I blend up with fresh lime juice. Okay, so I'm going to add just a little bit like this. All right, let's just add just a little bit more like that. And now I will add these items here that I cut up already. I have my herring that I cut up. I boiled it, removed the majority of the salt, and then I chopped them into little small pieces. I have some onions, red and green bell pepper, and I also have some fresh parsley. Okay, and everything I use is optional. This is how I make it. You can make it however you like, but this is the way I choose to make it. You can leave the bell peppers out and just add the herring and your Epis and some salt and pepper, and you're good to go. All right, I'm going to set that aside. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and add some fresh sour orange. I'm not going to add that much because remember my Epis already has fresh lemon juice in there. Let me go ahead and remove this seed. All right, we're going to add. Let's see if I can get a little bit more. All right, that should be good. God damn it. I will also add, this is my habanero pepper. This is 100% habanero pepper that I just blend up. Okay, so this is very spicy. So I need this to be spicy. So I'm gonna add some like this. Okay, or you can go ahead and chop up your Scotch bonnet or your habanero peppers and you add it. So for seasoning, I will go ahead and add just a little bit of garlic powder like that. We're gonna add just a little bit of black pepper. And if you don't like black pepper. Go ahead and leave that out. And also, I'm gonna use my adobo. You can use your Maggi. And we're gonna go ahead and give it a mix. It smells so nice, guys. Okay. Beautiful. Wow. So what you can do is go ahead and give it a taste. I like to taste it and see if it's missing salt. Okay. Just take a little bit and just put it on the palm of your hand. Wow. Now that's fabulous. It is perfect. Perfect, perfect. The heat is nice, guys. And I could taste my herring. You can also make this plain with no herring. Or you could use saltfish, chicken, whatever you choose. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get my oil hot, and then I'll come back. All right, guys, our oil should be ready. So with a spoon, I'm gonna go ahead and drop some in like this. Beautiful. See how it rises to the top? And you just want to drop it in one area. Lift your spoon. See? Drop everything on top of it, and then it's going to rise. See? See how beautiful that is? So we're going to allow this to cook until it's nice and golden brown, but yet cooked in the middle. It smells so nice in here. Then I'll come back and show you. I just wanted to show you this, that you have to flip them over. Okay, see how nice and golden that looks? And I started off with at a high, but then I kind of reduced my stove to a number 8, because you do not want the outside to have a nice golden color and then the inside is not cooked. Okay, but you do not want to drop your temperature too much, because you do not want your fritters to absorb too much of the oil. All right, guys, here is our fabulous fritters. This is a must try. It is absolutely delicious. Until next time, please like, comment, and do not forget to subscribe.